Hello there, this is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE, with another episode of Electromagnetic Mischief. Well, if you recall, a few weeks back I had built a 40-meter delta loop. Well, I finally got a chance to test it out this past Saturday at a POTA activation at K2175 Fort McAllister, which is not that far from me. It didn't do as well as I thought it would. My contact count was down. When I got home, I hooked it up and it was acting funny. Well, the funny part was a choke that I had in line, an integral choke balun, coax choke, had a intermittent connection in it. So we had a bad ground or a bad hot or something. Well, we put on the 4-to-1 LDG balun they sell. And then I tried the Chameleon 5-to-1 multi-purpose coil 5-to-1. I can't remember the name of it at the moment, but it's the hybrid micro. That's it, the 100-watt hybrid micro. It's 5-to-1. The impedance at this point seems to prefer a 5-to-1 ratio. The SWR curve is tremendously good. I mean, it's a great SWR curve, but as you can see, we've just got it held on here with a Bongo Tie just for testing. This is not going to be the final configuration, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the rest of it. Here's another Bongo Tie. We hold this up to get her off the ground because we get some droop in the horizontal line down here. We'll show you the other side of it. Here's the other end. Like I said, this just runs loosely to help take up the slack with these plastic electric fence posts. You just stick them in the ground. And all this goes up to the top of a 12-meter Spiderbeam pole. So each of the legs is roughly going up is roughly 44 feet. And the bottom is 53 feet. So total length's in the neighborhood of 141. I think it's a shade under that. And good SWR on most of the hand bands, 40 and up. This actually even works on 160 a little bit. Just for the heck of it, I got the G90 to tune the antenna last night. Got on sideband 160. I was heard but not understood. So that's just amazing to me. I mean, that's 1/4 of the wavelength needed on 160, a 40-meter delta loop. And they heard me. So I think this antenna is working. It's a little involved to set up for a POTA activation, but basically it's all wire. You just got to get your central suspension point going up. And these Spiderbeam poles go up really quick. Once you get it down and done it a few times, they just go up really quick. And it's probably about the best telescopic fiberglass pole on the market that you can get. And they're not that expensive either. So that's the summary. Show you one more thing here. Got a choke here at the input, and they're just clamped on there. So you can make your own chokes for your feed line, which you do need to do. Well, that's it for today. I ran a little long, but this is a lot of stuff here. This is KA4KOE in Richmond Hill, Georgia. Y'all have a blessed day. Take care.